Hi, I'm Jason. Are you having trouble choosing something for lunch?
Hello, Jason. Actually, yes, I am. Can you recommend anything? I have no idea what all this food is. It looks good, but, well, I am a vegetarian. By the way, my name is Adja.
I know, you're in my class.
Oh,
I can recommend the pumpkin soup and the goat's cheese salad with honey. They're both really tasty and absolutely veggie. You better take a pass on the pies. They're usually full of meat. I don't like them myself, although I'm not a vegetarian.
thanks. I think I'll have the soup and the salad. Would you like to join me for lunch? I haven't met a lot of people yet, and I could do with some company.
Of course. I'd love to know more about you. Just give me a minute to get my lunch. I'll join you in a sec. Right. This looks like a nice spot. Let's sit down here.
Okay. It's very kind of you to sit with me. I feel kind of lost in this enormous building. And the number of people. Are all the schools here as big and crowded as this?
Well, yes, many are. But you'll get used to it in no time. It is rather frightening at first, but once you know your way about and get to know a few people, you'll be all right. I heard you're from Mali. What brings you to the Netherlands, Adja?
We arrived a month ago. My country has a history of wars, droughts, and famine. It is also one of the poorest countries in the world. My family is lucky, if you can call it luck, because we had the money to look for a better place to live. We left Mali because, well, my parents no longer agreed with the political situation. And you, Jason, what brings you to the Netherlands?
Well, I'm Scottish, as you can probably hear. My mum works as an interpreter and translator at the International Court of Justice in The Hague. My dad commutes between Edinburgh and Zoetermeer, where we've lived for 5 years now.
Oh, and how do you like living in the Netherlands?
Oh, it's okay. Social life is not much different from that in Edinburgh. The change will be a lot bigger for you. I do miss our beautiful Scottish countryside, though. I really love to hike and explore the Highlands.
Okay.
And I do miss the haggis for breakfast. You wouldn't like it. It's not exactly a veggie dish.
Yes, I've read about haggis. It sounds positively awful. So, why did you choose this ROC for your studies?
Well, first of all, I'm not university material. I hope to find a position in one of my dad's retail stores in Edinburgh. So an education in the trade and administration sector is a good start. And this ROC offers just that.
Ah, I see. Sounds interesting. So you're not here to stay. You will be going back to Scotland.
Oh yes, definitely. And you?
I think we are here to stay. In Europe, at least. Maybe not in the Netherlands.
Uh-huh.
I chose this school because of its secretarial courses. I want to be a secretary in an international welfare organization. Hopefully, I can do something to help my country in the future.
Well, that's a noble plan. I hope you succeed. Oh, the next class is starting in 5 minutes. We'll have to rush.
Oh, gee, how time flies. I haven't even finished my salad. Well, thanks for the talk. I'll see you later in class.
Great. Maybe we should meet up again later this week. That is if you want to.
Yes, of course. I'd love to.
See you.